Hi foodies, welcome to Baran Creations. In this video, I will show you how to make chicken cheese corn pizza. So let's get started. To make this, you need some grated cheese, sweet corn, pizza sauce, olives, capsicum, roughly chopped onion and boiled chicken, mixed herbs, mayonnaise, olive oil and some pepper. So let's get started. Keep a pan and switch on the flame. Add some olive oil. Then put sweet corn. Add some salt. And add some pepper. Mix this all together. After 1 minute, take it in a bowl. Now in the same pan, add onion and some olive oil. Cook this for 2 minutes. Now remove the onion from the bowl, from the pan into a bowl. Now add some olive oil. Now put capsicum. And cook this for 1 minute. Now remove this from the pan into a bowl. Now take boiled chicken. Add some mayonnaise. And start to mix. It gives a creamy flavor. Now take the pizza sauce. You can use tomato sauce as its alternative. Now put some grated mozzarella cheese. I have used 1 small onion. Now add some capsicum. Just use some capsicum. Keep the rest for next use. Now add corn. 1 small cup corn. Now press this. On the top, add some cheese. Now add boiled chicken. After adding chicken on the top, now put some grated cheese. Now keep the capsicum on the top. After that, keep some olives. Put some paprika. Now put some mixed herbs. Now bake the pizza in oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. It is baked completely. Now remove from the oven. Our chicken cheese corn pizza is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try out this recipe, and if you like this recipe, hit thumbs up and leave your comments below in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.